Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to create Upwork accounts. So depending on whether you're an employer or just a freelancer looking for work, you'll have to of course decide which account you want to create. After going to their official website, go ahead and press on sign up. In here, choose if you're a client or a freelancer. Let's for example choose a freelancer. Apply as a freelancer. Right, insert your first name, last name, email and password. Also don't forget to choose the country. The country of your residence is very important. It's going to be tied to your entire account, so make sure to choose the real country you live in. Right, so you can sign up with email, Google or Apple ID. Right, so as you can see I've chosen my email and now just press create my account. Right, so on this page as you can see we need to answer a few questions to start building our profile. Apply for open roles and get paid. Let's get started. Right, so for example, let's say I have some experience. Next. Take money on the side, for example. Next. I'd like to find opportunities, for example, by myself. Now you can set up your first resume. You can import it from LinkedIn, or you can upload it to the website, or you can fill it out manually. Right, let's choose a specialty. Let's add our skills now. Project management, for example. Next, let's say project manager. So this will basically let the employees know what you do. Next, add experience. In here, just fill out everything in regards to your work experience. Add education. Next, let's save. Add languages. For example, let's add some random language. For example, Danish. Next. Oh, now choose proficiency. Let's say fluent. Let's say native in English and fluent in Danish. Set your rates now. For example, $15. Add your photo and location. Also choose your date of birth. Okay, and now finally to finalize our creation of the profile in here, just basically input your street address, upload a photo, enter your phone number, and then press on review profile. And after this, basically Upwork may request you to verify your identity by uploading a government issued ID, such as passport or driver's license, and possibly participating in a video verification. Review your profile for accuracy and professionalism, and click submit for review. Once your profile is approved, you can start browsing jobs and submitting proposals to clients. You'll be given a certain number of connects. It's Upwork's currency for bidding on jobs, which you can use to submit proposals. That's it. You now have a working Upwork account and you can start freelancing and working. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helped you. Like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.